Let's create a color flipper in HTML, JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript. Create a div button on click, on click function. Our function name is flip, I guess. Script, add a script function, add function flip. Create an array. Let arr is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. A B C D E F. We need to use alphabets to create a hex code. Okay, let's generate number for I is equals to 0, I is equals to or less than 5, I plus plus. Oh, I plus plus. Oh, I did it wrong. Greater or is equals to. Let A is equals to math dot floor dot math dot floor brackets math dot random math dot random into multiply arr dot length multiply arr dot length. Okay, nice. Let x is equals x. Let hex is equals to hashtag. We need a hashtag to create a hex code. Hex plus is equals to arra console.log hex. We will run the code. Failed to respond to load to server not found. Open a live server. Well, yes, we are created a hex code. We have created a hex code. Okay, and now we need a div. Let's name the button change and style our div. Style div. Height 100 pixel, width auto, or border, we will give him a border 2 pixel, solid black. Yes, we got. Why do we got 3 of these already? A1, A1, Okay, this is good. Now let's create a function. Let let's create it. Oh, we have not put it. We have created a hex, but we have not put it. Let's try to put it. Let's get the div. Oh, let div is equals to document dot query selector. We will take the div. So we will give div dot style dot background color is equals to hex. Nice. Control S. We have generated random colors. It's changing. We can see the hex code here. Nice. That's all.